Another thing that is related to text or glyph browser. Glyph browser. You can open it. Actually, glyph is a symbol that is related to the text, and it's different. A symbol will be attached to the every text that you can insert it in your text. It's very simple. It's not font, but you can insert it, for example, here. As you can see, we have all other Chinese or Japanese or other text, the symbols. Yeah, for example, something like this. There are attached to something like this. There are symbols that you can use. Select it, double click, and first you have to draw some text, and from here or here you can double click and insert it on your scene. And in a recent use, you can use it. If you want, you can use it, or you can use it again from last recent. So this is that. From here you can tell largest size, medium size. You can change the size. You can open just glyphs, Unicodes, clear recent used from here, and you can close this window. So the glyphs are the symbols like this that you can use in your text. They are text, and after that you can simply convert them to the curves, and boom, you can actually, after that, you can change them any shape that you want. Interesting. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.